Hey guys, I've got another American here, lovely lock, courtesy of LukesLocks, so thank you mate for this lock. Another absolute beauty for my little fledgling collection. UEN stamped on the back, 5200, and there is the bitting, so look at that for bitting. We've got 1 and 3, you know, they're the only ones, the other 3 are zeroed out. Or pretty much so. So this is going to be an overset nightmare, I would have thought. Let's get the key in. Looks very smooth. Okay, you've got to turn the key back. So put the shackle in and turn the key back. Locked up. So if any of you have got any Americans that you don't want, I would absolutely love to build my collection up. Don't mind which side of the pond you're on. Don't mind swapping locks either. It's yeah. Right, okay, so I'm going to stick with this shot. It seems to be quite good from here. So top of the keyboard tension and 15 thousandths gem. Okay, a couple of nice little clicks on one. A little bit more on one. Okay, is there anything on 2? Okay, little serration on 2. Not a lot there. Okay, a couple on 3. Oh, no way. On 4. So I didn't even have to touch 5 at all. Well, I didn't have to touch 4, one of the 2. I wasn't quite sure which one I was on, to be honest. But there we go. An open is an open. I ain't going to quibble about it. I do love these to pick though, they're fantastic. Yeah, Phillips good. I'm going to lock it back up so I can stab myself with the end of this. Hey. Okay. Okay, so we've only got 5 key pins, max of 5 in here, as opposed to this one which had 6. But the 6 wasn't populated in there, but all 5 are working in here. Yeah, you can see there how close to the shear line. Well, 2 isn't too bad, but 4 and 5 is, 4 and 5 especially. So I must have just touched it to get the open. Incredible. Okay, 1 is a serrated, 2 is, 3 is, 4 is, and 5 is. I don't think we have anything up there. Nah. Ah. Which is which? Because they look both the same. Well, I'm guessing there was a serrated spool in one. So let's have a look. Okay, we've got a serration in there. I may be going the wrong way there. Unless I'm just completely the wrong end of the stick. So that was a serrated spool, another serrated. So serrated, serrated spool, serrated. Serrated spool. and a serrated. Okay, so either way I was wrong. So it is serrated spool, serrated spool, serrated spool, and this is exactly the same front as back. But again, they only just hung up above the shear line, so they're all, you know, very, 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 it's all nudgy, if you get my drift. Okay. I'll just take the zoom off. No, let's put in the zoom on. Okay, so down the bottom there we have serrated in 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and up the top, magic, we have got a serrated spool, a serrated spool and a serrated. Very nice indeed. So thanks ever so much again, Luke. Another lovely pick, really fun. These locks are a nice one. And the rest of you, take it easy. I'll catch you very soon. Subscribe, like, comment, all that, and I'll be back with more. Be good.